there has been an unknown entity that has roamed into the town. They will have physically impossible characteristics. If you hear a noise, do not move. Hide in a small space, claustrophobic or not. Call authorities unless you hear a screech. When you do, go in a hospital or police station, wherever you feel safe. When you shoot an entity, accept your fate. You will vanish without a trace. No one knows what happens when they do. When you see a patient or prisoner with strange non-human behavior, run. Any living thing cannot hide with you. It can be